Hi guys, and welcome to Vesna TV Home. It's Vesna here. For today's video, it's going to be a short little video. I just wanted to show you how I decorated the front of my house for Christmas as well as my basement. This video is a little bit late. I just did not get around to posting it, so I do apologize, but here it is. I'm not going to talk throughout the whole video. What I'm going to do is I'm going to link the playlist for my 12 days of Christmas DIYs, as well as the playlist for my Christmas DIYs, so you can see all of these things. Everything pretty much that you see I've DIY'd, especially out here. All of these things I've DIY'd other than the light candy canes. So I will link all of that above so that way you can see it, but I'll just do it in a playlist format just because I feel that if I link every single DIY that I did, it'll be too many links throughout the video and it'll be too distracting. So here it is, the outside, and then after I do the outside, I'll show you a little bit at night, and then I will move to my basement. So this garland is from the Dollar Tree. Now I added some embellishments to it like I did for my stairs, which again will be linked in this video. And what I did here was I added these red magnolia leaves as well as this other garland that I got at our Dollarama just to give it a little bit of extra that it needed. And that's it for for the tour. Thank you so much for stopping by. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And also, I will have a mega video coming out on the 29th of December over on my DIY channel. Make sure you check that out. It's going to be a fantastic video with all of my DIYs. Thank you so much. Have an excellent day. Stay safe and Merry Christmas.